Hi guys, Christina here and I'm back with another organizational video. So for today, I plan to organize naman my accessory drawer. Alright, I'm gonna just quickly show you guys how my accessory drawer looks like right now. So that's how it looks right now. I have my, what's that plastic like container where I put some of my silver accessories and then some of the gold accessories. And then I have my Pandora boxes, Swarovski jewelry box, and then I have my sunnies and some other random stuff which are in the box. So that's how it looks. It's not as bad, but I have recently bought something. I'll show you guys. Alright, so let me just quickly show you guys what I ordered from eBay. These are accessory or jewelry organizers. Originally, I ordered something that's like baby pink color, but for some reason they arrived like this. So this is like tan color. But I don't mind. I think they still look nice and the texture is like velvety. So just perfect. I'll link all the information down in the description box just in case you guys are interested. And I also have these acrylic containers which I got like 2-3 years ago. I got these from the Philippines. I think I got them from Japan Homes if I'm not mistaken. They are very shallow na container. I used to use them to organize my makeup, but because I have cluttered all my makeup, I don't need them anymore to organize my makeup, so I plan to use them to store my sunnies. And because they're acrylic, medyo madulas siya, so I bought these from the craft store. They're like these, what do you call these? Felt. Yeah, felt cloth. And I plan to just stick them here para may ano siya, parang yung sa base niya. Para whatever I put on these containers, they won't slip. So yeah. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these on the containers. Right, so I'm gonna first do this one. So first, imo-mold muna natin siya. Just make sure that it gets to cover the whole thing. It's gonna be like this, and then I'm gonna use two-sided tape. Just stick it here, and then just stick it on the four sides of the container. There, that's it. So whatever you put here, so it won't slide that bad and it won't make any like sound. So yeah. Alright, so this is it. So these are done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna remove all the stuff from the drawer. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna either do it like this or this, and then now I'm gonna put all my accessories here. Gonna be more or less like that. Alright guys, I am done organizing my accessory drawer, and this is how it looks now. Just love how it looks now. So I have all my necklaces here, my rings, I have some earrings over there, and then over here I have my bracelets, and then my Pandoras are here. There you go. And then some pearl accessories. Just fits perfectly. And then over here, I just have my Farah Abu earrings. They are gorgeous, gorgeous, good quality earrings. So I just put them there because they're just like eye candy. And then I have these silver necklaces which are really nice. I haven't cleaned them yet, but once I clean them, they look amazing. And then here are my sunnies. And then I just put my case, Ray-Ban case here since it is pink. And then I have some of my other Sunny's case over there, and then Pandora case over there. And then aside from that, guys, I still have other accessory organizer, which let me show you, are these ones. I believe I got this from somewhere in the Philippines. I'll search it first and then I'll link it down below in the description box. And then these, I got them from Daiso. They're just good small drawers to put like my other accessories. That's it, guys. I am super happy with how it looks. I eventually might change it again, but for now, I'm happy with how it looks. So yeah, just some ideas. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye, guys!